Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to discuss with you how to make likes private on X. So actually the truth is that you don't need to do anything at all to make your likes private on X, because the platform made all likes private for everyone by default in 2024. So let me switch to my another X account to visually demonstrate that your likes tab is really private. Let me first of all like some kind of post on X. As you can see, here is my like. So now I'm switching to my another X account and I'm going to my second X account. As you can see here, I don't even have my likes tab here. So that really means that only I can see my likes tab on my profile. I'm switching back to my first profile, and for me, I have my likes tab, and this is the post that I have liked. So yeah, that's basically it. But the original author of a post can see that you liked their post. They will get notification that you left a like on some kind of post. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.